Thanks again for joining me here at kalkinemedia. I'm Rose Jacobs. Is Bitcoin investment risky? Well, though most traditional market participants warn against risks in cryptos, there seems to be a rush to join the frenzy. After S&P Dow Jones indices tracking BTC and ETH prices and Bitcoin ETFs in Canada and the US, Boston-headquartered Fidelity Investments has come up with a mix of Bitcoin and 401k. Bitcoin or BTC is considered the first crypto asset based on blockchain tech, and plans have been a staple investment instrument for Americans. In a press release on the website, a roadmap is highlighted for an offering that will be available for employers by mid-year. Fidelity Investment has stated that its digital assets account would enable investors to allocate a part of their funds to Bitcoin. MicroStrategy, the company whose leader, Michael Saylor, has remained bullish on Bitcoin, is also involved in the new offering by Fidelity. Fidelity and cryptos, well, the latest announcement is not the first foray of the investment firm into digital assets. A few days back, the company announced its metaverse experience for customers in partnership with Decentraland. Mainly focused on learning and education about digital assets, Fidelity claims it was a first-of-its-kind offering, which builds on a previous offering, Fidelity Metaverse ETF. The said ETF focuses on entities that are involved in the metaverse sector. Now to Bitcoin. Now a legal tender in El Salvador, it has so far remained a speculative investment asset. Though it gained heavily last year, BTC has remained quite subdued so far in 22. Some experts are citing rate hike worries and the Ukraine war as probable reasons behind the slump, something which has also affected the global stock market. As of writing, Bitcoin alongside Ethereum had lost over 5% in the past 24 hours of trading. This brought the value of BTC near US $38,500. So the bottom line is Fidelity Investments' Bitcoin offering as a part of 401k has made news headlines, but the official release expressly warns investors of the risks. It is better to fully understand the product before making any investment decisions. And for more info, you can take a look at our website, kalkinemedia.com. That's it for now. I'm Rose Jacobs. Thank you for joining me.